Good morning, bird. Happy to see you again. Hi. Hello. Hello, Malardak. Good morning. Hindi po, oh. Sabi ni klase na bird. Hello, good morning. Hi. Another bird. Good morning. Good morning, my friend. Happy to see you again today. Hindi na ikuko ang isang tiil, no? Ay, kisla mo balance. Good morning, bye-bye. Kaya matuloy pa kong lakaw. Good morning, beautiful bird. Gumalaw ka naman dyan. Good morning. And may kasama siyang dalawang bird na itim. Balon pangalan. Hello. Dito siya. Good morning.